Hi, welcome to the Caltrans Dime YouTube channel. This tutorial will teach you how to submit and verify tests on the Dime website. A user can submit tests on a Dime sample record. Submitting a test means saving the input values by following the test method standard. Verifying a test record means confirming the test results are accurate and making it accessible to the public and project personnel. It is important to remember that test results can be edited after submission, but not after verification. A verified test can be stated invalid and superseded by a corrected test record, but verified test records cannot be deleted. A test can be submitted by an organizational manager, data administrator, or data editor. A test record can be verified or superseded only by an organizational manager or data administrator. Now, let's go through a walkthrough of how to submit and verify tests on the Dime website. I will submit and verify the test results of ASTM C231 performed on a concrete cylinder sample. First, log into Dime and access the sample details page. To do so, I'll navigate to the Dime dashboard, scroll down to samples taken in the past 90 days, and select the sample record. Alternatively, you could have selected a specific sample record by clicking Search, Sample and Test Results from the menu panel. On the right-hand side is a sample operations panel where you can submit or verify tests among other sample operations. Let's go through the process of submitting a test. Click Submit a new test from the sample operations panel. On this page, you need to select the test method to be performed. Enter part of the test method name, select it from the drop-down list, and click Next. This section may require you to answer one or more preliminary questions about the test method. In this case, there are two questions. Is wet saving required? I'll select no. What is the input value type? Typically there are two options, input raw data or input calculated values. A raw input type means the user inputs measured variables and Dime performs the calculation by the test method standard. A calculated input type means the user reports the calculated or other required values. In this case, input by calculated values is the only option. After answering the preliminary questions, click Next. On this page, you need to input the required data fields such as the tester's name, test date, and test result. Optionally, you can provide comments about the test result and state if it complies with specifications. Once complete, click Save. The test was successfully submitted and now you are redirected to view the test details. Notice on the right-hand side a new panel called Test Operations, where you can select to edit, delete, or verify the test results. Scrolling to the bottom, you can review the test details including the Dime sample ID, test ID, testing lab, test method, and test results. Lastly, let's go through the process of verifying a test record. You can verify this test record using the hyperlink at the bottom or the Verify Test link in the Test Operations panel. Let's select Verify Test. Scroll to the bottom to review the test results and ensure everything is in order, then select the Verify Test Data button to confirm. Once the test record is successfully verified, you are redirected to the email sample record page to select project personnel and send an email notification about the material sample and verified test results. Let's go back to the sample details page. Alternatively, you could have clicked Verify All Tests from the Sample Operations panel to verify multiple tests quickly and easily. It will display each submitted test record and its details in a drop-down. Once you have reviewed the test details for each submitted test, then you would click the Verify All Test Data button to confirm. Data administrators and organizational managers can also access Verify Tests from the menu panel. This page displays all submitted tests for your organization that need to be reviewed and verified. Click on the Review and Verify action to validate the test records and make them accessible to project personnel. Let's go back to the sample details page and review the information captured on the sample record. Let's scroll down to Submitted Tests. I submitted and verified an ASTM C231 test record on this concrete cylinder sample. For any verified test, you can view, resend email, or supersede them. And for any unverified test records, you can view, edit, verify, or delete them. And those were the basics of submitting and verifying a test record on our Dime website. Thanks for watching.